Let's take a look at an example using the student T distribution. So suppose you do a study of acupuncture to determine how effective it is in relieving pain. You measure sensory rates for 15 subjects with the results given. Use the sample data to construct excuse me, a 95% confidence interval for the mean sensory rate for the population, assumed normal, from which you took the data. So here are our 15 pieces of data right here. The first thing that we want to do is to grab our calculators. So we could do this all by hand, but what we're going to do is we're going to put it into our calculators and use our resources. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to enter all of this data into a list. And to do that, we go to Stat, and we go to Edit. So I've already entered in all 15 of these in L1. Once you've done that, you're going to hit Stat again, go over to Tests, and then we're going to go down to the T interval. Okay, the T interval. You're going to hit Enter. You want to make sure this time we want data highlighted. Okay, we're going to pull from list 1, frequency of 1, and our confidence interval is 0.95, a 95% confidence interval. So then we're going to go down to Calculate and hit Enter, and then it comes up with our answer. So not only does it give us our confidence interval, it also gives us our sample mean, our sample standard deviation, and then again the number of data points that we have, the n value, which is 15. So what this answer tells us is it tells us that we can estimate with 95% confidence. So with 95% confidence that the true population mean sensory rate is between 7.30 and 9.15.